Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Flow, complete guide step by step clearly. First, download and install the Flow app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account using your email or social media login. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the budgeting section, usually found in the main menu. Select Create New Budget to start your budgeting process. Choose the budgeting method that suits you best, such as zero-based budgeting or the 50/30/20 rule. Set your budget period, whether it's weekly, monthly, or annually. Input your total income for the budget period. Next, list your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and loan payments. After that, add your variable expenses like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Review your total expenses and ensure they do not exceed your income. Utilize the app's forecasting feature to project future spending based on past behaviors. If necessary, adjust your budget categories to align with your financial goals. Save your budget in check for any alerts or suggestions from the app. Once your budget is in place, regularly track your spending within the app. Use the Insights and Reports feature to analyze your spending habits over time. Make adjustments to your budget as needed, especially if your financial situation changes. Engage with the community features if available, to share tips and experiences with other users. Finally, review your budget regularly, at least once a month, to ensure you stay on track. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effective budgeting with Flow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.